The Filipino adverb or pang-abay bihira means rarely in English. Bihira. Bihira. Let us have the following example sentences. Bihira na lang marinig ang lumang awitin na iyon. That old song is rarely heard anymore. Bihira is rarely. Rinig means like heard. And then luma is old. Awitin is a song. And then iyon is that. Bihira na lang marinig ang lumang awitin na iyon. Bihira akong uminom ng alak dahil hindi ko gusto. I rarely drink alcohol because I don't like it, like the taste. Bihira is rarely, inom is like drink, alak is alcohol or hard drinks. Then dahil because hindi is don't, gusto is like. So bihira akong uminom ng alak dahil hindi ko gusto. Bihira na lang magkita ang mga dating magkaibigan, the former friends, rarely see each other anymore. Bihira is rarely, kita is like to see or to meet, dati is like before or old, and then kaibigan or friend, magkaibigan, friends. So, bihira na lang magkita ang mga dating magkaibigan. Bihira ka bang gumamit ng pampublikong sasakyan? Do you rarely use public transportation? Bihira is rarely, ka is you, and then gamit means to use, and then pampubliko is public, sasakyan is car, or maybe a bus, transportation, sakay. Yes, so bihira ka bang gumamit ng pampublikong sasakyan? That is all for our pang-abay or adverb bihira, which means rarely in English. Bihira, bihira.